The Papaitonga Scenic Reserve is a beautiful nature reserve located in the Wellington region of New Zealand's North Island. Here are some key features and activities you can enjoy in the reserve. The reserve forest protects a stunning tract of native lowland forest with towering trees, including Kahikatea, Rimu, and Tutara. Papaitonga Reserve is also a haven for bird enthusiasts with rare species like the North Island robin, Motukiwi, and kereru, which is a New Zealand pigeon. You can also explore the reserve's scenic walking trails, which range from easy to moderate hiking difficulty. You can also enjoy a peaceful picnic amidst nature. The Papaitonga Reserve has historical importance to the local tribes, including the Maori and various other tribes.